So a legal claim can help raise awareness if there have been any problems in the standard of care provided. It provides the opportunity for hospitals to look at their policies and procedures and implement change when needed, where errors have been identified. Progressing the claim means that we can put together much needed vital support for a child who has CP. That will be in terms of therapies, care regimes, suitable accommodation in some circumstances. The needs of each child will be different because there are varying degrees of cerebral palsy, and so therefore we have to investigate those needs very carefully and adapt to the needs of the specific needs of that child. We can also look into bringing a case manager. So a case manager is brought in to provide help to the families in liaising with therapists, accommodation experts, and in most circumstances help with setting up the care regimes which are vital to families where they've got a child who has significant care needs.
A child has 3 years from the date of their 18th birthday to bring a claim and issue court proceedings against a defendant. So essentially they have until their 21st birthday to bring a claim. A child who lives with cerebral palsy, who has mental capacity issues that will continue into adulthood, has no deadline to bring a claim. Sometimes mothers suffer injuries both physically and psychologically as a result of a birth, and should they wish to bring a claim, then they have 3 years to do so.
Claims for cerebral palsy are complex, and then therefore inevitably the claim process is going to be lengthy. In relation to interim payments, that's something we focus on from a very early stage of the claim. It does require us to establish that there was negligence on behalf of the hospital that we're treating the child. Once negligence has been established, then we can request an interim payment from the defendant, the hospital in most circumstances, and then we can put in place the support that's needed to provide those vital resources for a child in terms of care regimes, therapies and suitable accommodation. So that's always our goal when progressing a claim for cerebral palsy for a child, to progress it as promptly as we can, but inevitably due to the complexities of those types of claims, then timescales can be a little lengthy.